They got everything in this shop, guys, and every time I walk in, they always play Afro beats. So I'm forced to dance. I'm not gonna dance and act like a fool today. Look at them, bubbling. It's a vibe. The fake, really TGIF from Dar Es Salaam, Tanzania. Here we go again, guys. Look at the views in the morning. We're taking a walk today from my hotel all the way to the bank to change some money. So I'm going to show you guys the views there and show you a few points I like to see around this area. Across the road there, guys, is the famous white sand. Rubbish. Rubbish. Did I say that loud? No. Guys, what are you thinking? It looks like a street down Hollywood, doesn't it? So this is my back. Look at that, beautiful. And this is to the front of me. I'll tell you a story time. I literally lost my phone the other day. My S10 RIP in Tanzania. It was quickly jacked in the club when I dropped it. Ain't that a bitch? Landmark Resorts is there. Do some paintballing. You can go over there and do some paintballing. Jangwani paintballing. Jangwani paintballing. Sea breeze. It's a very good hotel. I know the manager. Speaking of the devil.
And there he appears.
And there he appears.
How
you doing, boss?
Well,
I'm fine, thank you. Nice to see this. Is my manager. I told you guys. Everything is okay.
All good, everything fine.
Everything is fine here.
That's perfect.
Any events tonight?
Yeah, there is a DJ over here tonight.
Okay.
So there will be music.
What time do you guys close?
11 in the night.
Excellent. I'll be here at least for the first half of the night.
No problem. Cheers, man.
Today's Biryani Friday.
Yeah.
You got biryani here?
We have biryani, mutton biryani, chicken biryani.
I'm going to come back. I'm going to the bank now. I'll come back and have my biryani here. That's right. I'll see you in a bit. So guys, that's my manager there. He's a cool guy. I haven't been in Jangwani before, but I know when I do come, I'll get special treatment. Definitely. When I'm going to Mbudia, I use Serena to go to Mbezi Beach. And my friend, my jolly friend, Mr. Dangote, this is where he works. There you go, guys. Mbezi Boat Island, Serena. Long angel wings. And the other day, I took a picture in it. Check out that picture. Bam! Look like a proper angel, don't I? Sexy. Sexy guy. I look like I was landing. Cacao! Mad things. Let's keep walking. And these are residential areas, so people live in this place. People also live here. And they tend to be the wealthy type of people because it's obviously beachfront property. It is beachfront property. Guys, we're now approaching Maga King Beach. Phone number, Instagram, Maga King. Copy them, contact them. Oh yeah, so this is the beach area, guys. And this is just a local beach. We have been here before, haven't we? Yes, we have been here before. So, this is Kibo Beach. So this is the wave, guys. Just right opposite the beach. You cannot go wrong. And now we're approaching Kibo Beach. I'm out of here. So this is Kibo Beach. Kibo Beach, as you can see, is very sandy. They got juices there. They got food over there. Also got local shops just around there in the corner. You can see them right next to my side road. The local shops, they sell food. There's a souvenir shop over there. It sells for the beach people. There's always productivity and activity going on this stretch of road. Although it might look quiet. Where there is a beach, there's always activity. Where there's a beach, there's always an economy. This is a new construction, probably a new hotel. A beachfront hotel. That's what they got around this area, beachfront hotels. Very interesting, they put that next to the Ramada. Interesting, they put that next to the Ramada. This is the Ramada. Will you see it? It's a beautiful hotel. And they just got the police station right outside the Ramada. Inside there, guys, is a place called Pit Stop. I go to Pit Stop. I used to go there. I'm not going there no more because their kitimoto is crap. The food is just gotten shitter, so I'm not going there anymore. Bam. There's nothing much for the next 1 kilometer, so I'm not going to record. However, when we get to the roundabout, I'll record from the roundabout to the bank. I think the total walk distance is about 4 kilometers. In this sun, it's very, very good for your system. And I'm really enjoying it. Right. So yeah, the nice roundabout there, guys. You can't miss it. See that? Yeah. And that is the roundabout that leads to my hotel, Africana Road. Plus TV. That's my people then. And then we go further down this road. We're going towards Old Bagamoyo Road. This is Old Bagamoyo Road. It leads to Old Bagamoyo Road, which is a long road in this area. And it expands from Mbezi all the way to Masaki. So yeah. We need to check out this place. They got basketball court there, guys. So if you're gym, basketball court, if you're in the area, Oasis Village and Club, I need to go and check it out. Because I need to do some b-ball. I miss basketballing. I really, really miss basketballing. Yes, and walking in Mbezi, that's what we're calling that. So guys, make sure you enjoy the views. Hit subscribe, like, and comment if you could hear me properly. There's a place called Shabaha. And Shabaha has got good local food. It's like a military ranch. And they do nice pork and chicken and fish and everything at a decent price. You can see the setup there. We might go there later in our journey and sample the food. But yeah, this is the stretch I'm on at the moment. And I think I got another 10 minutes of walk to go before I get to the bank. Let's keep going 30 seconds here and there. I'm sure this is the walking path. Not that one. This one. That is the road. Walking path. Not that one. That's the gutter. Mad. Why is he driving towards me for? Like, what the heck? Scary. There you go, guys. Amsterdam Bar. So this one in Mbezi. Nice place, quite busy, good food, good service. So if you're around, check out Amsterdam Bar. Look at this guy, he's driving literally on the place I'm supposed to be walking. And he's also riding that place too. I can't believe I walked to this stage because that's where I get food from. So I've walked all the way there, all because of YouTube. You guys motivate me, man. Mwah. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you. Hey. Yes, pharmacy. Yes, pharmacy. That's where I'll give my medications when I am not feeling well. The Capital Plaza. This is where I'm coming to, guys, to the bank to change my money. So I'll go in a second and I see you back when I come out. Bam. That was a journey, and oh, I was sweating like 10 minutes after that walk, literally profusely sweating. Anyway, I got the money, and this is the exchange rate as of today. That is everything you need to know, everything you might need to know to survive if you're out in Mbezi. I've been here for the best part of 3 weeks, and I've been surviving up those areas, and it's kind of good, it's kind of cool. You got a takeaway you could go to if you want to do a takeaway online, like an Uber Eats. But normally, guys, everything I've showed you so far should be good enough to hold you if it comes in Mbezi area. Plus, they've got nice free beaches. Anyway, let me get something to go back on. I am exhausted. You see this shop here, Power, 24 hours supermarket. They're always 24 hours. So I told you in Mbezi you could get everything. This shop you get everything, you know. Wow. They play music all the time. And they got all these things here that people come and buy in the night time. Not me. Anyway, they got everything in this shop, guys, and every time I walk in, they always play Afro beats. So I'm forced to dance. I'm not gonna dance and act like a fool today. Look at them, bubbling. It's a vibe. It's as if they smell Nigerian coming and just play the Afro beat. So now I want to go like this, you see? I want to go like that, I like that, I like that, I like that. They're making me act a fool. Anyway, guys, if you're in the area in Mbezi, Power 24-hour supermarket.
Yeah, 24 hours.
24 hours.
Supermarket.
And
Welcome,
there you go.
Hi.
Thank you very much. And trust me, guys, they got a very good service. Always open. Always a party in here. Okay. I'll see you in a bit. There's no way on evidence I was going to walk back to go and eat my biryani. So I took a Bajaji it's charging me 2,000 Tanzanian shillings, which is a good price, I guess, because the fuel is 2,500 Tanzanian shillings a litre for petrol. It's almost $1 for petrol a litre. Bajaji man, he charged me 2,000.
Yeah.
He charged me too much, but he said Bajaji 2,000, border 1,000.
Yeah.
Thank you. Asante sana. Bye bye. So anyway, guys, yes, it's time for some biryani. I told my manager I'm coming back, so let's go back and have some biryani. Hopefully it's on the house, as you do. Bam. Thank you for watching, guys. Please make sure you watch the link below and subscribe. Have a nice day.